If you're using Hello Elementor theme or your website support Elementor page builder and you wanna build stunning header and footer. Hi, this is your Preet. In this video, I will show you how you can create a stunning header and footer using basic and simple steps. So don't skip this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. Before we go into video, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting. If you're looking for discount for hosting, I will recommend use some of the hosting provider. You can find link in description to get a discount. So let me go ahead in the setting, click on permalink. We will make sure our permalink set to post name. So this is the best setting for the websites if we are using Elementor or any other page editor. So make sure your setting in the permalink set to post name here and click save changes. After save changes, now we will install our Hello Elementor theme, which is lightweight and you can build a pretty fast website using Hello Elementor theme. In next videos, I will also make a separate video on Hello Elementor complete tutorial, how you can make stunning website using Hello Elementor. So let me go ahead here in the appearance, click on themes. In the themes, I already installed Hello Elementor, but you can install by clicking here, add new theme, click on it, and you will find Hello Elementor theme in the popular section. As Elementor theme is one of the popular theme to build any type of a business, a portfolio or e-commerce website. You can build any type of website using Hello Elementor theme. And here you will find Hello Elementor. You have to activate and install right away. After you install Hello Elementor theme, it will ask you to install Elementor plugin. You will see message here to install Elementor. If not, go to plugins, click add new plugin, and first we will install Elementor plugin. Make sure Elementor is installed and activate Elementor website builder, and then again search for Elementor in the plugin. First you have to activate your main Elementor plugin, then again come in the plugin section, search for Elementor again, and scroll down. You will find another plugin here, Elements Kit, Elementor add-on and template. Click on install now. This is free plugin and activate it. After we activate Elements Kit here, you have to refresh your WordPress page and you will find new option here, Elements Kit in the WordPress panel. Okay, now let's click on Elements Kit and Elements Kit again. Okay, here you can set to basic and scroll down. You have to enable header and footer here. Make sure it's enabled here and you will see new option here, header and footer under the Elements Kit. Click on header and footer, header footer, and now we will start first building our header section for the website. If you're using Elementor Sport theme or any type of theme that support Elementor page builder and your website is compatible to add it with Elementor, then you can definitely use it to build a custom header and footer on your pre-built website. Now let me click on header and footer. Okay, first we have to make sure it's enabled here, and you can enable some other visit if you require, and then keep scroll down. In the general, you can enable the general visits, WP post, header and footer here. In the header and footer, we have page list, elements kit, nav menu, header info, header search, header off canvas for mobile phones, and scroll down, click next step. Now you can skip this, but you can join sign up letter for them. That's really depend on you. Click next step and next step and next step and make it finish. Okay, congratulations, now our plugin is activated. Now let's click on header and footer here, number 2 option, header footer. Okay, so this is the our header and footer area. Now let me click on here, header, Now in the header section, we don't have any template. We will build our header template first. Click on add new template and I will name it my header. Make sure here in the type is choose header here because we are building header section. And in the quotation, if you want to add to the entire website, definitely we want to set this particular header for entire website. And then you can activate it. Make sure you activate this header section, header template here and save changes. Now we will start build our header section. We have now my header, new template here. Now let me click on edit. Okay, sorry for that. Click on edit content here. Edit content. Now this will bring you to the header customize area where we will build our header section first. Now I will show you how you can use different type of modules or templates or features you wanna add into your header section. First, you have to decide what you wanna display in the header, like logo, mega menu, or off Canva menu for mobile. You have to first decide. So this is our customized area. Okay, the first step, we will click here, add new container. Click on it and click flex box and choose whether you wanna go with single column, double column, or triple column. You can choose it. If you one side, if you wanna add logo, in the middle you wanna keep your menu, or in the right side you wanna add like search button, something other, you can go with these option three template, the three one here, structure, or you can also go with the single one. Let me choose this, the triple sections. We have three sections now here in the left side we will add our logo, middle we will keep our menu, and then right side we will add some more stuff. So let me first set its colors. So to set the background color, I will hover my mouse here, edit container, or after you select how many selections you want, three selections, then go ahead to click on style section to change the background color. Let me click on in the background section, background type, click classic. If you wanna go with the single color, background color, you can go with single color. If you wanna add gradient, you can also go with gradient color. Let me first click on classic and choose any color like that. If you wanna keep it little gray like that, not pure black, you can select here. And if you wanna go with guardian, you have to choose two colors. One color I wanna go with like that, and next I wanna keep it little like that. You can choose two color, which one you like. If you wanna go with single, then you have to choose your single color. You can check here. Okay, if it's not so, we have to save changes first. Okay, now we have a background overlay. If you wanna add any overlay here or mix colors, you can select here. But if you wanna add image in the background, how you can add? You can click here, option, image, classic, and downside you have to put the classic image. You can use background color image, any background you build in Canva for the background, you can choose that image in the background. Let me choose any image just to show you. Let me choose any image from here. This one. Make sure your image is wider. I like this one. Yeah, perfect. Now this background looks very good. Still, you can choose some color in the background overlay if you want. Make changes in the background overlay. Now it looks good. Next step, I will add my logo. In the left side, I will click add element and scroll down. I will look for logo, or you can search here logo or client logo. Just drag it here. So we will use single logo here. Simple. Yeah. Let me delete this one. This looks not good. Okay, now first we will add our logo here. So let me scroll down and find our logo element. Keep scroll down. Yeah, we have elements kit. We can use from elements kit. If you want to just add website name, not a logo, you can simply use this heading. Just drag this heading and put your website name here as logo if you don't have any logo. Then like print tech and click on style, title, choose the color and focus title. I don't want a focus title. I want a subtitle. I want to keep off shadow title separator. I want to also disable separator. So I have only heading here like that. First, let me increase the header width to the down little bit. Click on edit container. Now go to layout. In the minimum height, just increase the height how much you want to keep height in the header section. Let me increase a little bit more. You can adjust your height here for your header section. If you want to keep default, just delete the number from here, pixels. Just delete number from the box. It will be become default one. So now I want to keep it to middle here. So let me go to alignment center. In the title, I want to give margin in the top 11 or 22. Yeah, 11. You can try out margin, or you can use the simple visit here, just a simple heading here. Okay, now edit, breathe deck and go to style. Just choose the white color here, and here I will choose alignment center. Okay, you can check out. So let me first fix my width. Yeah, let me make it middle. If you want to make align the items to the center, if you see now it's on the top, but I want to keep all things in the middle. So click on here little gray container, small in the box, edit container, and scroll down justify content. You can click center. Now it will be in the center like that. Now if you want to add logo, you can use image container to add logo here. Click on add element and drag the image here. When you select image here, just first choose your logo here, or you can upload your logo if you already have logo on the from the desktop. Let me choose any logo just to show you. Example, I upload this logo and select. To make logo in high quality, let me show you first. Just here it look bigger. We can adjust easily in the click on style, adjust the width, how much width you want to keep. Looks good. Okay, so click on content where you upload image. You will see image resolution. Keep it full. If you wanna upload high quality logo, keep it always full. Okay, looks good. And even you can adjust it if you wanna make little bigger in the style section. If you wanna reduce its height like that, you can adjust your logo. You can adjust width like that, little more width like that. You can adjust it. Okay, looks good. Now next we will add our now menu here in the middle. So in the right side then we will add some more stuff. First let's add, click on add element. Now we will add menu. Let me search for menu and you will find elements kit nav menu, this one. Just drag it to the middle box. Now we have menu here, but I did not select any menu. I have to select my menu. Which menu you want to display here? Make sure you already create your menu in the appearance section. Let me show you. Let me go back. Okay, so let me select my menu, main menu. Let me select my menu. Okay, so this is my menu, but it's black. You can change its color easily by clicking style, scroll down to the menu item and change its color to white. Looks beautiful, and when you hover there is another color. You can also change the hover color by clicking same in the menu item, click hover and change the hover color you want like that. Okay, looks beautiful. Now you can check by closing. Yeah, looks beautiful. And then click publish so you don't miss your work. Okay, so you can every element you add here, click update or publish here. So even I refresh or accidentally if anything happened, you will lost your work. Just keep publish or update here. Now we have one more left. In the left side we will add more stuff here. Let me click on add element. What you want to display here? You can display like a search button, social media icons, or if you have e-commerce website then you have to find cart here anywhere, or button. If you want to add button, just in the basic section you will see button, drag it to the left side here. Okay, and now go to style and position, keep it center, scroll down to the padding. We will add some padding to make it align to the downside, or you can use by clicking here edit container in the brown, in the gray color, this button, small button here. Now let me click on this small container and scroll down again to justify content option. Click on center. Now our button also in center. You can also adjust if you want to adjust more, if you want to keep it the end to the center, but in the align you want to make it here in the little bits in the center. So you have to click the main element first, hover your mouse to the button, right click edit button, and you can in the position you can make it to the left if you wanna keep nearby the main menu here, or you can also make it stretchable here, like that, longer. Okay, you can try out different options in the style option. Okay, now let's say change its color. To change its color, first make sure you select the button here, right click edit button, and go to here style option where we change button position. Okay, then scroll down little bit more. Okay, background type, click on it, and in the color choose background color of button. I want to keep this one, and I want to change the hover color. Click on hover, and background type choose again classic, and you will see new option color here, and choose the hover color, like that. Okay, but in the hover I want to change the text color to black so it will be visible, like that. Looks good. Now I want to add something link here, so someone click and they will visit to that particular link. And let me click again, or you can just click on the button, and here left side all the option will be open. Just go to content option instead of style. In the style we change its color and hover everything, but go to content option again, and first you have to change its text here. Click here, you can write it here something contact us. You will see changes right away here, contact us. And then in the link option just delete the hashtag, this one, and search for the link you wanna link to this button, like I wanna link to contact us page. So in the link box just start typing contact and select your page you wanna add, you wanna make this work button. Okay, or you can just drag the link here. You have to copy that particular page link first in the address bar, then paste that link here. Okay, and then icon, you can choose its icon, icon library. Let me choose any icon, like contact us. For the contact I want to choose phone icon, phone. Okay, now we have phone icon. Okay, you can adjust icon spacing like that. If you want more space in the icon, adjust it. Now in the link, make sure in the link you put correct link, so someone click here and they will visit to this particular link, and publish. Now you can check if how it look like. If you want to make the menu more centered, let me click here in the center container, little gray icon, and justify item. Make sure it's a center already, and scroll down, align item center, and it will be very center. Everything looks good. Okay, this way you can justify or change the position of your elements. Okay, now let's talk about if you want to add more items, how you can add here. You can adjust here like that. You can adjust the container width here, how bigger you want. Okay, now let me go ahead, search for search button, SER search, and header search. You will see header search here. Okay, I want to drag it to here downside. Okay, let me first change its color from the style color white. Okay, yeah, it's working very beautiful. Now I want to align it to nearby the button, so I will click on main container here, gray edit container, the gray one, and in the let me select grid. Let me try out grid 2 and row can be 1. Okay, yeah, it's perfect now. Let me check out. Yeah, but we have to make it center to the downside. So let me click edit container and scroll down, justify item center and align item also center. Okay, make sure you follow this. Now looks beautiful. Okay, so but I wanna increase little bit width of this button, so I will reduce. I will just here bring your mouse to adjust the area like that. I wanna keep the search bar in the small in the nearby the button, so you can adjust here like that. You can try out, but I wanna keep it more width here. Just adjust the width. Let me change from contact us to contact. Yeah, now it will look very perfectly. You also can double check for the alignment. Let me click on the edit container and scroll down. You can add gaps between the column like 11, 22, like that. Only 2. Okay, then in the auto flow, let me try to select, yeah, row. Select auto flow row and justify item centers both. Now let me go to style. You even can change the background here, even this back side of this button and search. Go to background overlay. You can choose the color here, but it not work because we have permanently fixed the background image here. Okay, now let's talk about if you want to add more stuff. First, you have to decide what type of things you want to add in the header section. For example, you want to add one message here nearby, or make one more top row in the header. You can make one more top row. Let me click on add container, select add new container, and flex box. Just to choose single one. If you have a two item in the top row in the menu, just to select two. For example, you want to add a social media button in the top header, just to select two. Okay, now this side I want to add a social media button. This side I want to add one message like free shipping to USA, something like message here. So let me click on add elements, search for social icons, and you will see this one, EKIT. There is a one label here. Just to drag it to the upper section. Okay, now I will click again here, this main container, edit container. Okay, and I will again justify item to center. Okay, beautiful. Now let me change the top row color. So let me click on edit container, the whole container. You have to choose the whole container. To choose whole container, just you will see the between the in the middle edit container. Click on these three dot. Okay, but if you want to change color of this side of the icons and this side you don't want to change, then you have to select individually edit container. Okay, of each. Okay, let me show you by selecting the main element and go to style and select here classic and change the color. I want to make it black or little gray. Now I have to change color of icons. Definitely it's not visible, so let me right click. First hover your mouse to the icons or click with the mouse any icon here, and this side you will see the option will be open. Add social media, Facebook. You can add more item. Click add item, then you have to select first icon. Label you can change according what type of button is it, is Facebook icon or any else. In the link, make sure you provide that particular icon link. Someone click that link and they will go to this link. Okay, now let me go to style. First let me choose, yeah, in the style, scroll down and you will see option. Let me check for the options. You can underline it, overline, underline, line thought. Okay, now let me go to content again and choose the style. You can even choose style to the text if you want to display text here like Twitter, LinkedIn, or both. Okay, let me go to style to check how we can change its color. Yeah, in the background you have to go to advanced option and look for background and change the background color. So it will only change the main element color. Okay, and it will look beautiful. Okay, you can even give some space to the main element. So in the advanced, go to layout, try to give some margin or align it. You can align it. I will recommend to keep it in align. In align self, select center, so it will be in the center, but I want to give some space. So there is a, I need to adjust the height of upper top row. So let me click edit container and go to layout option, and minimum height I want to increase the height. I only able to check it when I off, when I close this sidebar, so I will able to check. So let me reduce it little bit more. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to advanced and I will give some margin, unselect here, in the top 22, sorry, in the bottom 22. Yeah, it look not good, so let me delete first. I have to put in the padding. I, yeah, in the padding downside 22. Yeah, beautiful. So in the top I will put padding 22 as well. You can check, looks beautiful. And now I want to change to its icon only. I want to show icon only. So let me click on the icons and go to content and select here icon. I want to only keep icons. Yeah, beautiful. You can change its hover color or icon color by clicking here. I did not find the option to change its color here, but I can try here. You can change icon size, advanced. Okay, in the content, yeah, we have to go to inside of each social media icon to change its colors. For example, you want to change color for the Facebook, just open Facebook here and scroll down, you will see option colors. Okay, for the Facebook I want to keep blue. Yeah, it's blue here, but hover color should be white or black. Yeah, then I will go to next one, Twitter. Open Twitter here, scroll down to the color and background color. Color, I want to make it red. Okay, you can change different icon colors for each social media. I want to keep it like that. Okay, and Facebook, we already have Facebook, so you can delete any social media you don't want. Just click on this X icon, it will be deleted. Okay, now this side I want to add some text here, so I will click add element, and now I will use here, you can try out text editor, just to drag it here, text editor. So I will put here in the box free shipping to USA. If you don't require top bar, then you can keep just the main. I just to show you further how you can do these things easy. Okay, now let me change its color to white. Go to style, go to text color to white. Okay, also alignment, make it center. Now it will look beautiful. You can add more text here in the content, add more stuff you want to add here, or you can keep it to align to the left side here where the header just starting. And if you want to align the social media icon to the end here, just click main element and justify content, align item should be in the end. Or let me select here, select style, in the select, when you select the social media icons or right click edit social media icon, go to content option where we just choose style to show text or icon for the social media, right? Icon and alignment, you will see alignment, click to right, so it will be added to the right side. If it's not, yeah, here right center, and you will see border radius. Let me try border radius to reduce. Okay, you can adjust width like that, adjust height if you want a more height, but I want to increase the width a little bit. Yeah, line height, this way you can adjust everything. Beautiful. You can, I wanna but align it to, let me go to advanced, yeah, self align. In the advanced option, self align self, click on end. Now it will be show in the end, which looks beautiful. Okay, now click publish. Now we have complete our header section. Now let's go to footer section. Before I go to footer section, let me go back again to elements kit, header, footer, to check if our header is there. Yeah, it's here. You can right click on view to check your header if everything is already there. Yeah, it's there. Now it's also working, clickable. Okay, everything work. Now let's go to click on footer. In the footer section, you will not see any element. Click on add new template, my footer, and select type footer. Condition entire site must be activated. Save changes. After save changes, you can click right away edit content option here, or you can just save it, and here you will see my footer. Click again edit, and now click on edit content here. Now where we will start building our footer section. For the footer section, the process is very same. First, you have to choose how many column you want in the footer. Some people, they want 3 rows like that, 4 rows. You have to select. Let me click on add new container, flexbox. You can choose flexbox. Example here, we have a structure, the 4 rows. Let me select it. Now we have 4 rows. This side I can display logo or name, website, and the next one I can display menu for the category, then pages, and right side I can add some more stuff you want. So first let's complete our adding our menus here for the footer. So let me click add element and search for menu again. So I will see here elements kit nav menu, drag it here and drag one more time in the right side here. Search again menu. If you want to display two menu, different menu, then you have to select it two times. Okay. Then let me select my menu here in the first row. Footer menu. Yeah, footer menu. Okay. It should be justified or center. You can check it how you want. Okay, you can increase the width of your footer. Definitely we want to increase its footer width, height first. Let me click on edit container and go to minimum height. I want to increase its height. Yeah, here. So click on style to choose the background color of the element first. Background type and choose the color. Okay, I want to keep this color. Now let's click again, justify item, direction, column. I want to keep it in the center. So let me click on the menu items, style, and menu item. Choose the color for the menu item. You can adjust width like that. Okay. If you want to make it horizontally, then adjust the width like that. If you just want to make it horizontally, then you have to increase the width. You can select the 3 rows here. You know, if you don't need more stuff, if you have only one menu in the footer, just to go ahead, delete this row between. Just click on here, little gray edit container, right click, delete. Now we have only 3. I will just delete it now. Okay, now I can easily adjust it like that. Okay, I wanna keep it centered. That looks good. Okay, yeah. Now here I wanna add my logo again. Then I have to use my image element, drag it here and select again for logo. Now let me select my logo here. Let me first choose the full resolution, style, and increase the decrease. I want to decrease it. Okay, you can adjust it and scroll down. Let me click on edit container, justify item center. Yeah, okay. Now if you want to add one more item here in the downside, one more menu, or if you have a multiple menu, just you can duplicate it, this item. Right click, duplicate. Now this side you have another menu here, and now you can make it 50-50 for both. Let me delete it. Okay, so if you wanna just duplicate middle row, okay, middle row, duplicate. Yeah, so now we have two menu, different menu in upper row and middle row. Downside row I wanna use any other menu. So let me add it. And here select menu. I want to select other menu here. Instead of upper side we have a different menu. Downside I want to display privacy policy, return, everything. Okay, so let me bring it to closer both. Style, menu item, let me radius to the top. Okay, sorry, let me choose item margin. Yeah, item margin. So unselect here, link value together, unselect it and delete from other boxes. Just keep it on the top. Just select, put the value here in minus 11 or minus 12, minus 33. Sorry, minus 30. Just select the 0 with the mouse. Minus 33. Now it will be closer of each. So upper side you have to put value for the downside. Or you can click here, edit container, make it end. Okay, align items center. So both will be in the center. So let me teach you any other way to make it done. So let me delete. So I have left only this one. Yeah, okay. So now I wanna add the horizontal way. Let me scroll down to menu item. Center. Let me adjust the width. Let me click on edit container to increase the height. Okay, width. So I have to justify items to the center, order, position absolute. Sorry, position should be default. And let me go to content now. Style, menu height. I should increase the menu height now. Okay, looks good. Now I wanna add one more. You already make this done. You can duplicate now easily. Click on edit container. You don't need to click, just right click and duplicate. This side you will have another menu here. Let me increase the width for both. Yeah, enough. If you want to keep this way, second menu, you can easily make it. Or you have to use this way to adjust the width of both menus. Okay, let me select any other menu here. Categories. Header link. You have to first make your menus to display here. Okay, perfect. Now what you want to display in the left side, if you have any other element you want to display, let me click on the main element, layout, make it center of both, or justify eventually. Click on space eventually. Okay, so let me increase here, let me make it this element. I should make to the, I need to adjust it. So if you want to add one more stuff here in the right side, you want to make it 4, just so you can duplicate any container. I want to duplicate this one, the boxes. Okay, or you can go to add element and drag the container layout container here, this side. Yeah, here. Okay, now here you can display like a newsletter or anything else, or like testimonial, social icons. So let me drag to social icon here. Okay, first let me make it to center icons. Click style, or let me click on edit container. Justify content center. Yeah, beautiful, looks nice. And let me adjust the both these menus to make it center. Make it center. Horizontal menu position, make it center. Click this particular box or right click, edit element kit num menu for this. Go to content, horizontal menu position, center, both center. Yeah, beautiful. Now I wanna give some space. One side I can make it this side to the right to have may I have a more space, or you can do justified or right side. Yeah, now everything is aligned. So social icon should be small in the small area. You can keep one menu like this way. It looks also good this way. But if you wanna horizontally, just to keep it here this way. Under the social media icon, you wanna add some text. Just click on add element and drag text editor under the here social media icons, like subscribe to our newsletter. So let me make it in the style to white, text color white, and I will make it alignment to center. Okay, so let me now adjust the footer width little bit above. Okay, let me first now adjust the height. It's look like there is a more height. So let me click on the added container to the main container. Main container is this one here. If you go with individual container to make it align, then you have to little look for this little one gray added container each in the each box. If you wanna change anything for the whole, then you have to look for this one, three dots between. And now you will see width and height options. Okay, just delete it from here. And width, you can even adjust the width here. Justify, you can make it center or eventually. Okay, you can try out the directions. Align item center, everything keep in center. In the gap, you can even keep the gap here between the elements. You can enter value here in the gaps, 33, and close the sidebar to check. Yeah, very good. So this way you can create header and footer using Hello Elementor theme and Elements Kit. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any question, just ask me in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much.